Hi, my name is Princess with Princess Show, and today I am going to be talking about healthcare and what can you do to prevent any issues when it is your time to travel to whatever country that you're going to, whether you're visiting or you're slow traveling, like myself. I will also be providing 8 different insurance companies that I was able to research online, and I also will be talking about them, and I will provide the link down below for you guys so you can actually check out each of these insurance companies. But besides that, stay tuned to this video and let's go ahead and talk more about it. Alright guys, so let's talk about the different insurance that are available to you. So for Safetywing Digital Nomad Insurance, there is a monthly plan that is for $40. And the great news about this plan, as of 1st of August, Safetywing Digital Nomad Insurance Plan covers COVID-19, which, especially during this time, is always perfect. Now, this is very helpful for long-term travelers who may no longer carry health insurance in their home country. Their company is subsidiary of a powerful global insurance company, Tokyo Marine. Now, the pros of having Safetywing, especially the monthly plan, is that you do not need permanent residency in any country to get the insurance. Those under 39 years old will find Safetywing quite affordable. Besides the medical coverage, you will get non-medical evacuation coverage, interruptions and cancellation of trips coverage, and baggage claim. You can also pay monthly rather than all upfront. And when you visit your home country for up to 30 days, you are still covered unless you are a U.S. citizen. You can choose a private doctor in hospital. One child per adult and 2 children under 10 per family can be also included for free of charge. Now, of course, here is our cons. So the cons of having this plan is some activities that a regular nomad considers not very risky are not covered, such as climbing mountains at high elevations, scuba diving, and ice hockey. The coverage in total maxes out of up to $250,000. You have to be in possession of an international scooter license to be covered. And if you have a scooter or motorbike accident, these kinds of accidents are very common while traveling around Southeast Asia. Now, in regards to the pricing, some estimates on the pricing Safetywing travels insurance for a 90-day trip for a 20-year-old to Finland comes up to only $129. Anyone up to the age of 39 will get that price. If you are 60 years or older, the price jumped to $443. Now, here's the other one that I did find. If we wasn't really looking for something monthly, but more as yearly, or let's say that you have a team, right? Well, Safetywing has a remote health for team or individuals yearly. Now, the great news is Safetywing's new plan called Remote Health is the perfect solution for digital nomads that comes with the exact match for the medical and travel needs. It's pricey, but it is worth it. It covers you in your home country too, therefore you can consider signing off your national insurance. It also covers you for pre-existing conditions. It also covers you for cancer and COVID-19. Now, there is another insurance called World Nomads. So with this plan, if you are a U.S. resident, the World Nomads Travel Protection Plan offers you specific benefits if you test positive for COVID-19. You may get coverage for medical emergencies, medical evacuations, trips delay, trips interruption, and coverage if you contract COVID-19 while traveling. Now, although you can only get an estimate for 180 days of coverage online, you can simply keep extending the coverage indefinitely. If you need to make a claim, you can do it online. Claims are handled quickly. They have great coverage for the price. Their Explorer coverage helps adventurous travelers have the security of knowing they are insured when they want to play. They are the go-to companies for many major travelers providers. Now, there is a pro in which I'm always going to provide it to you guys. So since they work with a myriad of local insurance providers, the cost and the coverage can vary widely. Based upon area, read the policy carefully. You must have health insurance in your country in order to get their add-on health coverage. You will likely not be able to get scooter coverage. And also, you are only allowed one trip back home on the policy. So let's talk about the estimate. The 22-year-old traveler will pay about $323.83 USD for a basic plan. Now, with this, you are going to have a generous coverage that includes $100,000 in medical expense coverage, emergency and non-medical evacuations, coverage for participating in over 200 adventure sports, trips cancellations, interruptions, and delay coverage, and $1,000 of coverage for baggage and personal effects. Okay? The Explorer plans adds more adventure sports and higher dollar amounts on other coverage as well as collision damage waivers for a total of about $471.68. If you'll be going for an entire year, just multiply these figures by 4 to get your total coverage cost. Surprisingly, our 60-year-old will pay the same cost according to the online quote for both packages for 3 months in Finland. Now, our next one is CoverAmerica-Gold. Now, CoverAmerica-Gold travel insurance provides a cost-effective solution when visiting the U.S. amidst the current new travel uncertainties. Their plans have been customized for non-U.S. residents. Back in your home country, you are probably used to seeing visitors getting covered by your great public health care. Keep in mind that options is not available in the U.S. Now, let's talk more about the pros. Pros. CoverAmerica-Gold is part of the United Healthcare PPO network, which offers a large-scale network of medical providers and medical facilities across the U.S. that can directly bill the insurance company. This means that you do not have to be worried about not having cash with you. In addition to your travel insurance coverage, CoverAmerica-Gold offers medical insurance services, covers acute onset of pre-existing conditions for those under 70 years old. Your annual influenza shot is also included. A quick visit to the urgent care is included with a small copay of $15. And there is no cancellation or renewal fees, which is awesome. COVID-19 related expenses are included if purchased for a minimum of 30 days. It's affordable, and also a 30-year-old visiting in the U.S. in Christmas 2021 will only need to pay $96.72 for a 30-day visit. Now here is other benefits. Loss of passports or travel documents, foreign excursions and cruise coverage around North America, emergency dental treatments and eye exams, missed connections between available during international travels to the U.S. Now the cons is only non-U.S. residents can purchase it. Trips to other South and North American countries may be very limited. All right. So I hope that this to you today was of interest. And as mentioned before, I completely understand if you do not have medical insurance right now, but let's start talking about it to our loved ones, to our family, especially when we're traveling, because especially during this time, anything can happen. And for me as a mother, I would hate for my children to get ill or sick. And by the grace of God, Nothing has happened to them, but at the end of the day, what I really would like to say is, especially if you're coming from the US, majority of times, well, not majority of time, the hospitals here, if you get sick, you have to pay up front. It's not like they can bill you when you go to the emergency room. That is the number one thing I would like to say. And then number two is, a lot of times, even if you do have medical insurance, depending on the insurance company, you maybe have to front it and wait for your insurance company to pay you back for it. So also keep that in mind. We all make mistakes, we all learn, but just let's not make a mistake when it deals with our health. So if you haven't already subscribed to my video, go ahead and subscribe. Also, remember to follow me on my Instagram, which is Princess Show +3, where you can follow me on there as well. And leave a comment down below. Please let me know if you find this video helpful at all, if it's something that you already been doing. If there is other companies that you feel that other people that is watching this video should look at, please let them know. I'm going to put all of the company's information down below. I am not getting paid for any of this, but I feel like it's educational, and I also want everybody to win and be able to live their best life. So other than that, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.